Now using Laplace transform, solve the differential equation d2 plus 2d minus 3 into y is equal to sin t, where y of 0 is equal to y dash of 0 is equal to 0. Now how to solve this one now? You take, okay, so the given problem as y double dash of t, this d square y as a y double dash of t plus 2y dash minus 3y is equal to sin t. Y of 0 is equal to y dash of 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Now applying Laplace for this y double dash plus 2 into Laplace of y dash minus 3 into Laplace of y is equal to Laplace of sin t. Okay, Laplace of sin t. Now what happens? So we get s square for this Laplace of y double dash means s square into y bar of s minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0, this is, plus 2 times of s into y bar of s minus 0, this is, because y of 0 is 0 minus 3 into y bar of s is equal to 1 divided by Laplace of sin t means 1 divided by s square plus 1, this is. Now what happens when we simplify this? S square y bar of s, y of 0 is 0, 0 into something is 0, 0, this is 0 plus 2 into s into y bar of 0, y bar of s minus 0, this is, minus 3 into y bar of s is equal to 1 divided by s square plus 1, this is. Now what happens? Y bar of s, s square plus 2s minus 3 y bar of s is equal to 1 divided by s square plus 1. So y bar of s is equal to 1 divided by s square plus 1 into s square plus 2s minus 3. Okay, this can be written as 1 divided by this one, no? S minus 1 into s plus 3, the factorization method. What are the factors of this s square plus 2s minus 3 means s minus 1 into s plus 3 into s square plus 1. This is y bar of s. So now this can be written as Laplace of y of t, this is equal to a divided by s minus 1 plus b divided by s plus 3 plus cs plus d divided by s square plus 1, this is, okay, divided by s square plus 1. Now when we equate this, okay, when we equate this, what happens? So we get, putting s is equal to s minus 3, okay. So this and this if you equate, we get 1 is equal to a into s plus 3 into s square plus 1 plus b into s minus 1 into s square plus 1 plus cs plus d into s minus 1 into s plus 3. When we substitute s is equal to minus 3, this one, then what happens? We get 1 is equal to 0 plus b into minus 4 into 10, okay, plus 0, this is, therefore b is equal to minus 1 by 4, this is, 4 tens are 40, correct, minus 1 by 40. Then again put s is equal to 1 is equal to a into 4 into 2 plus 0 plus 0, okay, when we substitute this one, therefore a is equal to 1 by 8, a is equal to 1 by 8. Okay, a is equal to 1 by 8. Now put s is equal to 0. When we put s is equal to 0, we get the, okay, 1 is equal to a into 3 into 1 plus p into minus 1 into 1 plus d into minus 1 into 3. Okay, so substituting in that we get this. Now we get okay, so d is equal to, after this is 3a minus b minus 3d. You know a value, you know b value, bring it and substitute. So 3d is equal to minus 3d, you bring it this side, it becomes plus 3d. This is okay, so 3a minus b minus 1, this is. Now what happens, so this is a value is 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, then again a b value is minus 1 by 40, the plus 1 by 40. So if you simplify, we get 16 by 40 minus 1, so this is minus 24 by 40. So d is equal to minus 1 by 5. D is equal to minus 1 by 5. So when s is equal to, put s is equal to minus 1. So 1 is equal to a into, because we have to find out another unknown, minus 2 into 2 plus minus c plus d into minus 2 plus 2. This is 2 into 2. So this is 4a minus 4b plus 4c. Okay, so this is minus 4d. This is 2 2s are 4, minus 4 into this is plus 4c minus 4d. This is 1. So after simplifying, so we get a value, simplify, a value is 1 by 8, b value is minus plus 1 by 4 by 40, then d value is plus 4c minus 4 by 5. This is, so taking calculator and simplifying, so we get c value minus 1 by 10. Okay, so minus 1 by 10. This is. Now what happens, Laplace of f of t is equal to 1 by 8 divided by s minus 1 plus 1 by 40 minus 1 by 40 b value s plus 3, then minus s by 10 minus 1 by 5 divided by s square plus 1. This is. So now what happens, f of t is equal to 1 by 8 into L inverse of 1 divided by s minus 1 minus 1 by 40 is equal to L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 3 minus 1 by 10 into L inverse of s divided by s square plus 1, then minus 1 by 5 L inverse of 1 divided by s square plus 1. This is. Now we get f of t is equal to 1 by 8 e to the power of 1 into t minus 1 by 40. This is e to the power of minus 3 into t minus 1 by 10 cos 1 into t minus 1 by 5 sine 1 into t. This is your answer. Okay. Now we go to the next problem. That is, use Laplace transform method to solve d2x by dt square minus 2 into dx by dt plus x is equal to e to the power of t, with x is equal to 2, dx by dt is equal to minus 1 at t is equal to 0. Okay, now first you collect the data. This d2x by dt square, we can write it as x double dash of t. Okay, so x double dash of t, then minus 2 into x dash of t plus x of t is equal to e to the power of t. X is equal to 2, x dash is equal to minus 1 at t is equal to 0. Remember this. Now apply Laplace for this. Laplace of x double dash of t. Okay, then minus 2 into Laplace of x dash of t, then plus Laplace of x of t is equal to Laplace of e to the power of t. Now what happens, this can be written as x double dash minus 2 into Laplace of x dash plus Laplace of x is equal to Laplace of e to the power of t. Now this can be written as okay, so we can write it as s square into x bar of s minus s into x of 0 minus x dash of 0 minus 2 into s into x bar of s minus x of 0 plus x bar of s is equal to 1 divided by s minus 1. Now what happens? S square x bar of s minus 2s okay, then x dash of 0 means minus 1, it becomes plus 1, then minus 2 into s into x bar of s, then plus minus plus 2 into x of 0 is 2, so that is plus 4, then plus x bar of s is equal to 1 divided by s minus 1. This is, now what happens? S square minus 2s plus 1 into x bar of s minus 2s plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by s minus 1. This is, now what happens? We get s square minus 2s plus 1 of x bar of s is equal to 1 divided by s minus 1, then again plus 2s minus 5. This is, now what happens? X bar of s is equal to taking LCM and simplifying, okay, so we get 2s square minus 7s plus 6 divided by s minus 1 into, this is nothing but s minus 1 whole square, okay, so what happens? We get 2s square minus 7s plus 6 divided by s minus 1 whole cube. This is x bar of s. This is, okay, so this can be written as so 2s square minus 7s plus 6 divided by s minus 1 whole cube is equal to, this is whole cube is equal to a divided by s minus 1 plus b divided by s minus 1 whole square plus c divided by s minus 1 whole cube. Now we can take it as, okay, we can simplify this as 2s square minus 7s plus 6 is equal to a into s minus 1 whole square plus b into s minus 1 plus c into 1. This is, so put s is equal to, okay, so s is equal to 1, so then we get 1 is equal to c, so b is equal to minus 3 and a is equal to 2, okay, so when we substitute, so we get, okay, so that c value is 1 when we substitute s is equal to so other values other than this 1, we get b value minus 3 and a value 2. So using a calculator we can find out this. Now after getting this substitute, so x of t is equal to, that is Laplace of x of t is equal to, okay, is equal to 2 into, that means a value is 2 divided by s minus 1, then b value is minus 3 divided by s minus 1 whole square plus the c value is 1 divided by s minus 1 whole cube, okay, so x of t is equal to what? Means 2 into L inverse of 1 divided by s minus 1 minus 3 into L inverse of 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square plus L inverse of 1 divided by s minus 1 whole cube. This is whole cube. This can be written as 2 into e to the power of 1 into t, then minus 3 into L inverse of 1 divided by s square, where s tends to s minus 1 plus L inverse of 1 divided by s cube, s tends to s minus 1. Now what happens? 2 into e to the power of t minus 3 into e to the power of t into t to the power of 1 divided by 1 factorial plus e to the power of t into t square divided by 2 factorial. This can be written as 2 into e to the power of t minus 3 into t into e to the power of t plus t square into e to the power of t divided by 2. This is your what means x of t. Okay, this is your solution.